9th standard English memory poem The River. River, river, little river, bright to sparkle on your way. Over yellow bubbles dancing, through the flowers and foliage glancing. Like a child at play, like a child at play, like a child at play. Oh, river, 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 swelling river, on you rush through rough and smooth. Louder, faster, brawling, leaping, over rocks by rose banks sweeping. Like a impetuous youth, like a impetuous youth, like a impetuous youth. Oh, river, 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 brimming river, broad and deep and still as time, seeming still yet still in motion, tending onwards to the ocean. Just like mortal prime, just like mortal prime, just like mortal prime. Oh, river, 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 headlong river, down you dash into the sea. See that land hath never sounded, see that sail hath never rounded. Like eternity, like eternity, like eternity. Oh, river, 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 little river, broad and deep and river, river, little river, 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 little river.